Hey there. You guys know I'm not here for a long time, just a good time. I've got $50 and I'm heading into the casino. I need a bonus in 10 minutes or less, or it's a bust. Let's find a machine. All right, you guys, this is the winner today. This is the winning machine. Got my $50 right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get that in. And I've already got my card in. We are playing Firecrackers. 88 cents. Let's go. Now we want those firecrackers to eventually light up all the way to the top, and then we get those bonuses, and it's great when you get all three or even two at the same time. So that's the goal. Come on. Nope, not yet. Not ready. That blue and that red, well, even that green, they're all pretty far at the top, so hopefully we've picked a good one. Although my friend Lisa in Georgia, she always picks the ones that are really low, and she hits every time. Wow, now see, we had all three colors that spin and nothing happened. Come on, green. Sometimes it happens when you least expect it. And other times you can pick a machine where they are lit all the way, almost all the way at the top, and they never pop. I've seen people put in hundreds chasing it, and it just doesn't happen. Ooh, little glitch there. Well, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it on $50 today. 2 greens. Sometimes I wonder if an 88-cent bet can get the job done, but it can. Oh, the mini's only 10, but I still wanted it. Yeah, that 88-cent bet can get the job done. The only time you have to really pay attention to that is when you play a machine and it specifically says you have to bet the max bet to get a certain bonus. And there's a lot of those. So you have to be careful with that. But not this one. I've seen my friend win hundreds on an 88-cent bet. I'm here at the Rose today in Virginia, where they don't really like it when I record. I don't know why. All three, come on. But someone just walked right behind me that works here, and he didn't say one thing. When I was here last week, I wasn't even recording at a machine. I was just taking a little bit of B-roll, just walking around filming just the machines, and 2 guys chased me down to tell me to stop doing that. I sensed them. They were right on my tail. Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. And I said, what? You're not allowed to do that. And I said, I know. And then they said, so why are you doing it? I just kept walking. I didn't know what to say at that point. Well, I think I did say, for fun. Nah, kills me. I don't know why they care. Honestly, I would think if I was recording right now and I hit the big time, the grand is 10,000, over 10,000, and I posted this on YouTube, people would come in here and try to do the same thing. When me and my husband are sitting home watching these videos of people winning, we're like, well, we gotta get to the casino. It makes you want to go and play. So I don't know why they get so distraught when they see us record. It happens all the time. Sometimes I feel like I'm taking my life in my hands by making these videos, I swear. Come on now. If anyone out there knows why the hell they care when us YouTuber people make videos of playing a slot machine, please, I have to know. It's a burning question. I know I'm not the only one that gets told not to, because I talk with other people that take these same kinds of videos and they tell me that they're told all the time, you're not allowed, you're not allowed. Come on. Ugh. You guys, I have like $17. I need a bonus. Red and blue. Uh-oh. I'm coming down to the wire here. All right, here it is. Nope. I really looked at this machine and thought this was the one. I guess I'm not a good judge of machines. Here it is. Nope. Oh, $30. Do it. Gosh. Minor. Minor's 20. Wow. I almost put this one here next to me. The blue one is almost all the way at the top. The green and the red are much lower. But see, here are mine. Like I said, I've seen people chase those and they just don't pop. But the worst thing is to chase it for a few $100s and then get up and watch someone sit down and put in $20 and hit it in the first couple of spins. So if you chase it and you play it and you pump that money in and then you decide, forget it, and I can't pop it, I'm just gonna give up, you have to walk away. You have to walk away, because if you stand and watch someone else get your bonus, you're gonna get really pissed. Just walk away. Guys, what the heck? Got $9. I thought for sure. Okay, here it is. Damn. Nothing. Have I even gotten any line hits? I've been running my mouth. I haven't even paid attention. I think I've gotten a few small line hits, but wow, this one's glitchy. That spun forever. $7. Okay, so yay, 85 cents. That's not even another spin. came in the smoking section today, which is a whole separate room, because I thought, okay, let me try to elude all the casino workers in this smoking room. I've only seen one. Like I said, he walked right behind me and didn't say a word. Okay, now, all 3 colors. Wow. It's being really stubborn today. Alright, gotta... one more spin after this. Come on, green. Okay, this is it. Unless I get the bonus or I get a good line hit, this is the last spin. You guys, look at that. All right, well, I'm gonna take my own advice. I'm gonna take my card out of this machine and I'm gonna walk away. You guys have a great week. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, so be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss those videos. And have a winning week. Let me know how you do. See you next Tuesday. Bye-bye.